Welcome to the 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is stealthy. It is spelt S-T-E-A-L-T-H-Y. Think steal, T-H, and then Y. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we are here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources, from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. On weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Stealthy means done in a secretive, unobtrusive manner, often in a way that is not easily detected. It's a great word to use when you want to talk about something or someone that is not conspicuous, apparent, or obvious. For example, you could say, "The burglar was stealthy and managed to enter the house without being noticed." Or, "The spy was stealthy and managed to infiltrate the enemy camp." The word stealthy comes from the Old English word stelen, which means to steal, referring to something or someone that is done secretly and unobtrusively. See the connection? In the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, the main characters, the four turtles Leonardo, Raphael, Donatello, and Michelangelo, are stealthy as they navigate the city, fight crime, and protect the innocent. Synonyms for stealthy are furtive, surreptitious, clandestine, and sneaky. Antonyms for stealthy include conspicuous, apparent, obvious, and overt. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today, stealthy. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time.